Are you struggling with kidney issues despite following all the so-called healthy advice out there? It's frustrating when nothing seems to work, right? What if I told you that the foods you've been told are good for your kidneys might actually be holding you back from healing? But don't worry, there's a solution that's simpler than you think, and it's all in your diet. Kidneys are vital organs that filter toxins, balance fluids, and regulate blood pressure. Yet many of us overlook their importance until something goes wrong. The good news: you can significantly improve your kidney health by making a few strategic changes to your diet. The foods you eat can either support or harm your kidneys. Let's make sure they're doing the former. But here's the kicker: there's a surprising list of 8 foods that can heal your kidneys faster than you think. Curious to know what they are? Stick around, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Before we dive into the list, make sure to like this video, subscribe to HealthFlex, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. Let's get started. Number 1. Cranberries. Have you been drinking gallons of water hoping it's enough to flush out toxins and keep your kidneys healthy? Hydration is key, but it's not the complete solution. Many people think that drinking water alone is enough to keep kidneys functioning at their best. However, water alone doesn't address the potential buildup of harmful bacteria in your urinary tract, which can lead to infections and eventually harm your kidneys. Enter cranberries, a powerhouse that not only supports hydration but also helps flush harmful bacteria out of your urinary tract before they can reach your kidneys. Cranberries contain unique compounds like proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, effectively reducing the risk of infections that could harm your kidneys. What's more, cranberries also help acidify your urine, creating an environment where bacteria can't thrive. Including cranberries in your diet can be a game changer for kidney health. But do you know the best way to consume cranberries for maximum impact? Keep watching to find out. Number 2. Blueberries. Are you constantly worried about the oxidative stress damaging your kidneys, especially if you're dealing with chronic kidney disease? Chronic oxidative stress can lead to further kidney damage and exacerbate existing conditions. It's easy to believe that avoiding harmful substances is all you need to protect your kidneys from oxidative damage. But merely avoiding harm doesn't repair or rejuvenate your kidneys. The antioxidants in blueberries, particularly anthocyanins, go beyond just protection. They actively reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, giving your kidneys a much-needed defense boost. Blueberries are also low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them an ideal choice for a kidney-friendly diet. These tiny fruits pack a powerful punch, offering cardiovascular benefits that further protect your kidneys by promoting healthy blood pressure and reducing the strain on these vital organs. There's one way to eat them that's even better for your kidneys. Want to know what it is? We'll get to that soon. Number 3. Red bell peppers. Do you think that a low potassium diet means you have to sacrifice flavor and nutrients? Managing potassium levels is crucial for kidney health, but it often leads to a bland diet that feels limiting and uninspiring. Many believe that kidney-friendly foods are bland and lack the nutrients your body needs. This belief can make dietary changes feel more like a burden than a benefit. Red bell peppers not only add color and flavor to your meals, but are also low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C, essential for protecting your kidneys. These vibrant vegetables are packed with antioxidants, including lycopene, which has been linked to a lower risk of kidney cancer. They're also a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps your body eliminate toxins more efficiently. Whether you're eating them raw, roasted, or stuffed, red bell peppers offer a delicious and nutritious way to support your kidney health without compromising on taste. What's truly surprising is how they can help lower your risk of kidney cancer. Stay tuned to discover how to incorporate them into your diet in a way that maximizes their benefits. Number 4. Garlic. Are you relying solely on medication to control your blood pressure and protect your kidneys? While medications can be effective, They often come with side effects and don't address the root cause of the problem. Most people think that managing blood pressure and cholesterol levels requires prescription drugs alone. This belief overlooks the powerful impact that diet can have on these critical health markers. Garlic, with its anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties, can be your natural ally in kidney health. It's a potent ingredient that doesn't just flavor your food. It actively reduces the strain on your kidneys by helping to lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Garlic also contains sulfur compounds that have been shown to protect kidney cells from damage. Regular consumption of garlic has even been linked to a reduced risk of kidney disease, whether you use it fresh, cooked, or as a supplement. Garlic is a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your kidney function. Wondering how much garlic you should be eating daily? We'll cover that shortly. Number 5. Cauliflower. Do you think that cutting out certain foods to protect your kidneys means missing out on essential nutrients? The fear of nutrient deficiencies can make dietary changes feel risky and overwhelming. It's a common misconception that a restricted diet for kidney health can lead to nutritional deficiencies. This belief can discourage people from making the necessary changes to support their kidneys. Cauliflower is low in potassium but rich in vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent substitute for high potassium vegetables. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, all of which are important for maintaining healthy cells and tissues. Cauliflower also contains sulforaphane, a compound that supports detoxification processes and reduces inflammation, both of which are crucial for kidney health. Its versatility in cooking makes it easy to include in your diet without feeling restricted. You can steam or roast cauliflower, mash it as a low-carb alternative to potatoes, or even rice it to use in place of grains. But what's the best way to prepare cauliflower to get the most out of it? I'll tell you in just a bit. Number 6. Fatty fish. Are you eating enough healthy fats to support your kidney function? Fats often get a bad rap, but the right kinds of fats are essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. Many people avoid fats altogether, thinking they're bad for their health. This belief can lead to missing out on essential nutrients that are vital for kidney function and overall health. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help maintain healthy blood pressure, crucial for kidney health. These fish also provide high-quality protein that's easier on your kidneys than red meat. Omega-3s are known to lower triglycerides and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease progression. Including fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week can provide significant health benefits and support kidney function. But not all fish are created equal when it comes to kidney benefits. Which type of fish should you prioritize? Keep watching to find out. Number 7. Olive oil. Are you unsure about which cooking oils are best for kidney health? The wrong oils can contribute to inflammation and strain your kidneys, but avoiding fats altogether isn't the answer. People often think that all fats and oils are bad for the kidneys. This belief can lead to the use of unhealthy alternatives or the elimination of beneficial fats from the diet. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that's gentle on the kidneys. Its monounsaturated fats reduce inflammation, and it's packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Olive oil also supports healthy cholesterol levels, which in turn reduces the strain on your kidneys. When choosing olive oil, opt for extra virgin varieties, which are less processed and contain more of the beneficial compounds that promote kidney health. Use it in salad dressings, for cooking, or as a finishing oil to add flavor to your dishes. There's a specific type of olive oil that provides the most benefits. Do you know which one it is? I'll reveal it soon. Number 8. Apples. Are you looking for a convenient, kidney-friendly snack that also supports your overall health? Finding snacks that are both healthy and satisfying can be a challenge, especially when you're trying to protect your kidneys. Many think that sugary snacks are the easiest option when they're on the go. This belief can lead to poor dietary choices that negatively impact kidney health. Apples are not only low in potassium, but also rich in fiber and antioxidants that help keep your kidneys in top shape. They're a perfect snack for those looking to manage their kidney health without sacrificing taste or convenience. Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps lower cholesterol and reduce blood sugar levels, which can benefit kidney function. The antioxidants in apples, including quercetin, help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Eating apples with the skin on maximizes their health benefits, as the skin contains a significant amount of the fruit's fiber and antioxidants. Curious about what's the best way to eat them to maximize their health benefits? Let's dive into it now. Now, it's time to uncover the key insights we promised throughout the video, so you can make the most of these kidney-friendly foods. 1. Do you know the best way to consume cranberries for maximum impact? Drink unsweetened cranberry juice or add fresh cranberries to your diet to effectively flush out bacteria and support your kidneys. 2. Best way to eat blueberries. Pair fresh or frozen blueberries with low potassium, high antioxidant foods like strawberries or spinach for a supercharged kidney boost. 3. How to maximize benefits of red bell peppers. Eat them raw or lightly cooked to preserve vitamins A, C, and lycopene, which help lower kidney cancer risk. 4. Ideal daily intake of garlic. Aim for 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic daily for the best kidney protecting effects. 5. Best preparation method of cauliflower. Steam or roast cauliflower to retain nutrients and enjoy it as a low potassium alternative to mashed potatoes. 6. Which type of fish should you prioritize? Wild-caught salmon is the best for omega-3s and low contaminants. Include it in your diet twice a week for optimal kidney support. 7. There's a specific type of olive oil that provides the most benefits. Do you know which one it is? Extra virgin olive oil is the healthiest option. Use it in salad dressings, over veggies, or as a dip to protect your kidneys. 8. Curious about what's the best way to eat apples to maximize their health benefits? Keep the skin on to get the full fiber and antioxidant benefits that help protect your kidneys. Enjoy them in oatmeal, salads, or as a snack. These 8 foods are not just good for your kidneys, they can actually help heal them faster than you ever thought possible. From cranberries that flush out harmful bacteria to apples that provide a perfect balance of nutrients, these foods offer a natural way to support and improve your kidney health. By incorporating them into your daily diet, you can take a proactive step towards better health and well-being. Ready to take action? Start adding these kidney-friendly foods to your meals today and see the difference they can make. If you've tried any of these foods or have any questions, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might benefit, and subscribe to HealthFlex for more health tips. And before you go, make sure to check out our next video, 11 kidney symptoms that you should never ignore. You might be surprised by some of the signs that indicate your kidneys need help. Watch it now to learn how to catch them early.